In this demo, we'll show you how to set up Amazon on a cloud phone. Let's get started. First, launch the Multilogin app and log in. This is the main dashboard. For this guide, we'll use cloud phones. These are Android devices that live in the cloud, letting you use apps like Amazon without needing a physical phone. Next, go to the Cloud Phone section. This is your workspace for cloud phones. You can manage all your cloud devices, folders, and settings from here. Then click Create to set up a new cloud phone. Give your profile a name and choose how many devices you want to create. Each one is a separate Android device. You can add notes to remember what each cloud phone is for, and then put it in a folder to stay organized. After that, set up a proxy. Choose Multilogin to use the built-in proxies. This lets your cloud phone connect from a specific place. Pick a country and city. This makes your device look like it's connecting from that area. Choose a device brand and model. For best results, use one cloud phone for each Amazon account. Click Create to finish setting up your cloud phone. Once everything is ready, launch your cloud phone. The device will open with a normal Android home screen. You can click, swipe, and navigate just like on a real phone. On the right, you'll see a sidebar with quick tools. You can check your connection, rotate the screen, take screenshots, upload files, or use the camera. More tools are in the More menu. Next, open the built-in App Store to install Amazon. Search for Amazon and install it. You can also upload your own APK file if you need to. After it's installed, open Amazon from your cloud phone's home screen. Log in to your existing Amazon account. Your session will stay saved on this device. After that, you can manage your Amazon seller account, add products, update stock, and handle orders directly from the Cloud Phone app. With Multilogin cloud phones, you can manage your Amazon accounts from one place without needing lots of devices. Start your trial.